Imagine waking up to a world where your morning routine is seamlessly orchestrated by an intelligent assistant that knows your preferences better than you do. As you sip your coffee, your AI agent has already analyzed traffic patterns, scheduled your meetings, and even curated a personalized news feed that aligns with your interests. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the imminent reality of AI agents poised to revolutionize human life. From transforming how we work and communicate to enhancing our healthcare and personal lives, these sophisticated systems are set to become our most trusted allies, unlocking unprecedented levels of efficiency, creativity, and well-being. Welcome to the future, where AI agents redefine what it means to be human in an increasingly complex world. Hi everyone, today we will explore about AI agents and their impact on our lives with our channel AI Finds. Let's dive in. AI agents are advanced systems that combine analytical reasoning with the ability to take action. Unlike traditional machine learning models, which mainly process and analyze data, AI agents can make decisions autonomously and execute tasks in dynamic environments. For example, AI agents might handle customer service interactions not just by answering queries, but by proactively solving problems, integrating seamlessly with company systems to fulfill requests or manage complaints efficiently. In 2024, the focus has shifted from isolated AI models to composite systems that bring together various capabilities. Major companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are pushing the envelope on multi-agent frameworks to optimize how these agents plan, execute, and interact with humans in real-time settings. In the business world, AI agents are automating repetitive tasks and enhancing decision-making processes. For instance, Microsoft's Copilot integrates with enterprise software, helping employees draft documents, summarize lengthy reports, and even suggest actionable business strategies. Similarly, SAP is exploring ways AI agents can optimize supply chain management, using real-time data to anticipate disruptions and adjust logistics accordingly. Companies like Salesforce and ServiceNow are also embedding AI agents into their platforms to streamline operations. ServiceNow's virtual agents now offer more intelligent workflows that adapt based on user interactions, making enterprise operations more agile and responsive. Data insight. According to a report by Forrester, AI agents are expected to generate significant economic value, with companies that adopt these technologies gaining up to 30% efficiency improvements across various functions. AI agents are making strides in healthcare by transforming patient care and administrative efficiency. For example, in clinical settings, AI agents can monitor patients' vital signs in real time and alert healthcare professionals to anomalies, thus enabling quicker response times. Beyond hospitals, these agents are also optimizing appointment scheduling, managing patient records, and supporting diagnostics. Tech giants like Google DeepMind and IBM Watson are actively developing AI solutions tailored for healthcare. Google's medical AI agents are being trained to analyze vast amounts of patient data to assist doctors in making more accurate and timely diagnoses, enhancing patient outcomes and reducing errors. Example: IBM's AI-driven oncology solutions, which interpret clinical studies and match them to patient records, illustrate how AI agents can support physicians by providing the latest research and treatment options, potentially saving lives. On the consumer front, AI agents like those in Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa have evolved from simple voice assistants to proactive companions capable of managing daily activities. Google Assistant is now embedded with capabilities that can draft emails, schedule meetings, and even set up reminders based on context. Emerging platforms like Adept AI are working on specialized productivity agents that can navigate software applications to automate workflows. These agents understand and execute commands like finding files, filling forms, and making reservations, essentially becoming virtual secretaries that elevate human efficiency. Future outlook. By 2025, experts predict that AI agents will integrate more seamlessly with smart home ecosystems, autonomously managing energy consumption and household chores, contributing to a more convenient and energy-efficient lifestyle. AI agents are revolutionizing retail by providing hyper-personalized shopping experiences. Brands like Amazon and Shopify are utilizing these technologies to predict consumer preferences and recommend products with unprecedented accuracy. Virtual shopping assistants can engage with customers in real time, making suggestions, processing orders, and managing returns. For instance, Amazon's AI agent capabilities have evolved to use customer data to fine-tune inventory management and delivery systems. Shopify's AI-driven tools assist small business owners in managing their online stores, automating customer interactions, and analyzing sales trends to inform marketing strategies. As per a study by McKinsey, retailers leveraging AI agents for personalized marketing see up to a 20% increase in customer satisfaction and a significant rise in conversion rates, underscoring the economic impact of intelligent automation. Despite the promising advancements, the rise of AI agents comes with challenges, such as data privacy concerns and ethical dilemmas around autonomous decision-making. Companies must address transparency and accountability, especially as AI systems become more intertwined with critical sectors like healthcare and finance. Regulators worldwide are crafting policies to ensure the ethical deployment of AI agents. Notably, the European Union's AI Act aims to standardize practices and enforce strict guidelines on how AI technologies should operate, balancing innovation with safety. OpenAI and Anthropic have both pledged to prioritize safety in their development frameworks, incorporating advanced alignment techniques to ensure that AI agents act responsibly. AI agents represent a seismic shift in how humans interact with technology. From simplifying daily tasks to solving complex industrial challenges, their impact is poised to be profound. However, this transformation must be managed thoughtfully to harness the full potential while mitigating associated risks. What do you think about AI agents? Let us know in comment below, and do not forget and subscribe our channel AI finds for latest updates in artificial intelligence.